Managing an insurance agency can feel like juggling 1,000 tasks at once. Client policies, claim processing, compliance, and reporting. What if there was a way to bring all these processes into one seamless platform? Welcome to Applied Epic. As you can see here, the ultimate tool for streamlining insurance agency management. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to use Applied Epic to manage client, process, policies, track claims, and optimize your operations. So by the end of this video, you will know how to set up Applied Epic Manage Client account, automate workflow, and generate report, all from one centralized system. So let's dive in. Before we get started, let's break down what's make Applied Epic stand out. According to their website, as you can see, Applied Epic is an all-in-one agency management system designed specifically for insurance professionals, which you can see here over your screen. So there is first of all, client management, policy processing, claim tracking, report and analytics, right? And there's always a key highlight which I like from this software or website. You can say that is a cloud-based, accessible from any device. It integrates with carriers account system and third-party tools, and it's really customizable workflow to match agency unique processes, right? So let's get started here. As you can see here over your screen, so first of all, if you just go to start this up, to get started with Applied Epic, we have to visit this official website, which is called appliedsystem.com. If you can't able to find it, no worries, just go to Google and search for Applied Epic and click on this first link. You will come up here. Right now, once you're ready to implement, here's how you can set it up step by step. So first of all, just go and click on contact us, right? And here you can see it will give you three options for the sales inquiry. It means you can reach out to their sales team directly for immediate assistance with all sales related inquiries. This is for customer support and this is for billing. So you have to choose anyone depending upon your, whatever requirement. So let's say it's sales. So I have to fill up all this information, right? For example, business email. Obviously, you need business email. You can't use personal email. They are not going to accept it. And your name, your personal details, and your company name, business phone number, and zip code. Business phone number is not necessary, and then you have to go and click on send now. Same goes for other information, for example, for the customer support and for the billing. Now here you can tailor the interface to fit your workflow by adding widgets like client list, policy summaries, or task reminder. And you can also rearrange elements for a better visibility and accessibility. Obviously it's given in the dashboard. So here you can just go and click on get started in the spotlight, right? Registration is open for the applied nets, and if you sign up through June 20 to get the best rate. So let's go and click on register now, and here you can apply for this and they will show you the pricing and everything, right? So it's take a little bit of time here. So there are different plans here which you can go through one by one. And here if you're a member or if you're not a member, then the charges are a little bit different, right? And if you want membership as well as for the conference, right, both of the features and the pricing is a little bit higher as compared to other plans, right? Now you can just read it as they have given each and every information, and you can pause the video or you can just go to and reach out the website and have a look on this. And once you are satisfied with it, just go and click on register now, and you will be taken here. Now for example, register for applied net. So for example, I want for the agency, you can choose any one of them, and if it is shown here, if your option is not given here, you can just go and select others, right? So let's select agency and click on next. Now here you have to enter your email address and then go and click on next. Now you will be given a registration code, so you can just put it here. So enter your provided registration code in the field box, and discount code should be entered separately at the checkout, right? So that is for the discount. Now as you can see here, there are different plans, so you have to just go and select here. For example, if I want a non-member individuals, I will just go and select, right? And for example, I want non-member individual plus applied client network today. There's a description, you can read this out. And if you want to reach them out for some specific information, this is the email given here, right? So this is a public email, by the way. Now here, let's say you can just go and choose any one of day. For example, you want for Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, and choose any one of them. And if you want more than one, you can select here one or two, right? It's completely up to you. And now we will just go and click on next. Now here we have to fill up all this information which is shown over your screen, right? Once you do, and just this is the option add-on. If you don't want to keep an add-on, you can just let it be 0 here, right? So there are so many information. I hope you understood this. Business email and confirm email, the name and everything, name on the badge, business address, your city and wherever it's located, your business. Now choose your company type. So here you can choose it's my agency. What is your primary job function? So it's regarding claims. What are the prime carrier uh, that your business work with? So you can put it here. How do you hear about? So let's say I'll just go and select here others. What is your shirt size? So it could be small, medium, large, and all that stuff here. Now here, this is American with Disability Act. No. Do you have any dietary restriction? None. Right, so you can choose depending upon, this is some of the personal information. You can just put it whatever you want, up to you, right? And here, this is add-on. If you want something, you can check on this. You can put a number, right? And here, by checking all these boxes, just go and click on next. So for example, I will put here, right, and click on next. Obviously they need my some of all this information here, right? Now you can, once you get this permission, once you're allowed to use the interface, and once you have paid for it, obviously after this the next step will be the payment. So pay for it. Now here you can manage client accounts. For one of the applied Epic core feature is the robust client management, right? Which I really like, because that's the main thing which they has been releasing on the software, right? Now you can just navigate to the client section and click on new client, right? And enter details like name, contacts information, and policy preferences. You can record every interaction with clients such as email, phone call, or meeting to maintain a complete history. You can attach important files like contract applications or claim or documentation to keep everything organized. Now, Applied Epic simplifies policies processing, helping agencies save time and reduce error. Now, you can just go to the new policy section, enter the details like coverage type, premium amount, and effective dates. You can set up automated workflow to notify client and process renewal before expiration date. Make changes to existing policies, such as adding coverage or updating term with ease. You can also track the claims. That is what the feature is pretty much useful. So tracking claims efficiently is a critical for client satisfaction. Now applied Epic, which I have been showing you the resources. So just go ahead and click on applied Epic, enter details like claim type, date, and loss, right? Now here there is applied Epic. If you don't know about this, you can just go and read about this latest release and all these capabilities and the functions. For example, what is new in the applied Epic, right? So they have given the completely new interface here. AI powered email. This is the world of AI right now. Introducing Epic Code's commercial lines, dashboards, right? Integration with employee navigators, visualize winning data, and integrate text messages and payments. And there's a lot more features which Epic provide you. You can monitor status, communicate with the clients. There's a built-in messaging tools to keep client informed about claim progress. These tools ensures transparency and help build trust with the clients. Finally, Applied Epics provides powerful reporting tool to help you analyze agency performance and make data-driven decisions. For example, key metrics to track, which is revenue by policy type or client segment, claim resolution time and success rates, client retention and satisfactory scores. So use these insights to identify bottleneck, recognize top performer, and refine your processes. You can also export reports in various formats for presentations or audits. And there you have it, a complete guide to use Applied Epic to streamline insurance agency management. Whether you're managing clients, processing policies, or tracking claims, Applied Epic has the tools to help you succeed. If this video really helped out, make sure to like this video and please subscribe, and yeah, please support our channel. Thanks for watching this video.